Hey friends, it's April. I'm in my glasses today, but it's still me. I've got a lot to do today. I'm gonna take you along with me. It is about 1 o'clock and we have been just cleaning up from the mess over the weekend. And I want to go ahead and get some dinner started here in a minute so that doesn't sneak up on me. Gonna do some laundry. I need to clean my shower. All right, and we are just going to get some cleaning done, get some homeschooling done, and get dinner going. So thanks for coming along with us today.
It's a baby! It's a baby!
It's been cracking me up lately because every time Anna sees herself in the camera, she says, "It's a baby, it's a baby."
And also, we needed to school and we...
Oh, sorry. I am about to get dinner going, but before I do, I'm going to get this laundry started.
It's a baby! It's a baby!
It's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I am going to start preparing my dinner. I have this coconut oil, and I'm gonna put some big tablespoons on the pan and just melt it in the oven so that I can roll my sweet potatoes in that yummy coconut oil with some sea salt. That flavor combination is just delicious. Now I'm gonna get my chicken prepared for dinner tonight. That way I can just pop it in the oven later. It'll be easy later on. Lauren is over here playing with her toy sink and singing.
Vegetables! Incredible vegetables! Vegetables! No! Don't mess with that.
Dinner tonight is going to be some yummy roasted chicken with sweet potatoes and rice. And I'm going to serve it with some apples as well. Just some raw cut up apples. They're kind of like an appetizer and a dessert for us. But this seasoning is really good on this chicken. I've been making this for our family for many years, and it's very easy to make and really yummy. I'm going to put some holes in these sweet potatoes to help them cook a little more easily. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook my sweet potatoes ahead of time at 375 for an hour, and then I'll just pop them in the oven for a short time later so they'll be warm with the chicken. But you can cook your sweet potatoes and chicken at the same time if you have room in your oven. The chicken will taste even better if you season it on both sides. And of course, this child wants me to open a cheese stick for her while my hands are dirty. For now, I'm gonna put this chicken in my fridge until I wanna bake it later, but I'm going to bake it at 375 for about 50 to 55 minutes.
It's a baby!
It's a baby! Okay, now I've got dinner prepped and I'm going to do some school with my little girls.
It's a baby! It's a baby! It's a baby!
I need to help her with her book.
Wow, 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 wow!
Now, before I continue their school, I'm gonna run in here and use this Tilex to do a lot of the shower cleaning for me while I am working on school with my girls. This Tilex is really effective and it saves me a lot of time on scrubbing.
Baby. Baby.
Baby, hi.
Hi.
I was super proud of myself. Today I was able to paint my nails. It's about 3:30 now and my husband was able to come out for our porch date. So I thought I would show you the fence that my husband and 2 oldest kids built for us. They painted it white just for me, and it's about 4 feet tall so that we can still see well over the fence. And we decided that it would just go around this little portion of the property. And they worked really hard on it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm always working on laundry throughout the day. I've got several baskets here that were washed and dried today, including the stuff in the dryer, and in the morning Mary and Sarah will sort it and take it to the rooms. Now I wanted to show you this really cool moon that I saw out the window, and I had to come out and just get a little video of it. Isn't it amazing? After dinner, I was able to come in here and rinse the Tilex off of the shower, and then I used a Zep mixture to give it a good scrub down. That way I could get it all cleaned up before resting and going to bed tonight. Thanks for joining us in our day today. If you liked this video, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like to just see kind of our daily routines and see videos like this. Thanks especially for watching till the end, and I'm going to leave you with this shot of the clean shower, and I'll see you real soon.